Hey, how's it going? This is Nicholas Lau from Dallas, Texas. Just wanted to leave this quick video for you to give you a little bit instructions on what to do. So below you'll see a calendar link, and what I want you to do, if you're serious about this opportunity and wanting to generate an income stream and getting some help along the way, just click on that link and you'll be able to book a 15-minute call with me. And the purpose of that call is to find out if this is a right fit for you, the program, working with me, get to know you a little better, and see what type of goals you have, because it's very important that we're on the same page when you get into this. I want to make sure I set the right expectations for you so you know exactly what to expect and what it takes to win at this. So again, just click on that link below and it is to my booking calendar, and I'd love to get on a call with you and see what is a great position for you to come in at, because the last thing I want is for people to come in at a level that they're not comfortable with and then start struggling and stressing. It's not about that. It's about getting you positive wins. So even if you have to come in at a lower level that you are gonna have to work a little bit harder, it's okay, because you know the whole purpose of this is to take people from nothing and turn it into something. Even myself, just to prove the point, I came in at the lowest level, and I did that intentionally because I wanted to show people that you don't have to just be an experienced marketer or have money to start at the top. You can all start at the same place and still get really good results. So again, just click on that link below and set up that booking appointment with me on my calendar, and I'd love to talk to you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.